What's up, guys? It's May 14th, 2024. Almost halfway done with the year, man. Pretty crazy day. Tough morning. Really hard morning. Expanding triangle. Pull back into the higher time frame EMA, and then we ripped. This was sick. I caught only about half of it. I missed that, but I did. It is what it is. Profitable day. Still working towards that payout, but the account's slowly stacking, so I can dig it. Talk about where the buyers and sellers are. Um, Yeah, really nice day. We'll go over the higher time frame. 2 seconds here. Higher time frame. This is the daily 20 EMA breaking out higher low, strong breakout, spike, pullback, and now we're channeling. This looks like a really nice bar, honestly. 45-minute kind of looks like a triple top here, but on the daily, I think that looks pretty nice. We'll see what happens. We are trading kind of far away from the EMA. It looks like every time we get too far away, we go sideways for a couple days, and then too far away, sideways, up, too far away, sideways, sideways, up. So we'll see what happens. Really nice day for the Bulls and anyone who made money. It's always a good day in the markets. Gap up, bar one. Actually, real quick, yesterday the last 2 days was a sell-off, kind of a bear flag, sell-off, double top, and we're kind of in this bull channel right now. It's a broad bull channel, maybe from here to here. It's just because I'm really zoomed on this chart to make sure everyone can see the numbers. It's not too blurry. So that's yesterday's context. Gap up. Bad follow through for the Bulls. We're trading above the EMA, so Bulls definitely want bull closes. Good for the Bears. Looks like they're trying to reverse above this range. However, bar two already bounces off the EMA, and then that's bad for the. I just lost my train of thought. That's bad for the Bears. Obviously, they wanted to break down. However, it bounced. So good for the Bulls, seeing some continuation. Bar three breakout, big tail, but we do break above bar one's range. Bar four is bad follow through. I think there are more sellers. We're starting to go sideways. Not characteristics of a strong trend. So we are going more sideways. I think there's sellers at highs, buyers on the EMA. If there's buyers at lows, that means there's gonna be sellers at highs. So we're kind of range bound. Bar six, deep pullback, testing the high of bar two, and bar seven bounces off. I think the Bears that got short here were able to get out on bar nine's tail. It trades lower, they short here, trades lower, they get out, and bar nine reverses up. However, it's really bad follow through, and they get a new low. This trapped a lot of bears. You can see a big tail, and there's no tail here. So we have new highs and new lows. This could be expanding triangle, characteristics of expanding triangle. Here's a new high, here's a new low. But immediately, you guys got to respect the three pushes up is a wedge top. Pretty bad breakout, really climactic price action. We're going range bound. 12 is a close above 11, which is good for the Bulls, but look at the tail. It's a range bound. Every time the Bulls have made a new high, it sold off. So I think there are more sellers than buyers up here. 13 sells off, 2-bar reversal at highs. This is a leg one, possibly pullback leg two, or it could be a leg one, deep pullback leg two with a fractal 3 legs right here. Expanding triangle, so we make a new high. The next stop is going to be a new low. Bar 13 sells all the way off and bounces off the higher time frame EMA. Oh, excuse me, I meant to say bar 14 bounces off the higher time frame EMA. And bar 15 also bounces off the higher time frame EMA. So I think there are more buyers sitting at lows than bull shorting or bear shorting lows. Bar 15 is also bad follow through for bar 14. Not the worst candle, bar 16, but there's no body, so it's a range bar. It's kind of a bullish channel, and they get a breakout right here. It's a bullish channel because there's like 1, 2, 3 pushes with these tails. 18 is a strong breakout, really bad follow through with 19. 20 starts to go more sideways again instead of breaking out like this price action here. So we can compare like this overlap to this overlap, right? This overlap is way nice. Excuse me, this breakout is way nicer. This has a lot of overlap. Overlap on the pullback, overlap, deep pullback, wedge top here. A lot of wedge tops today. Wedge top, wedge top, wedge bottom, and a wedge bottom. Do I do it? Wedge top. The market goes sideways. Bar 25. Bulls try and make a new high, but reverse down. I think that's really damaging if the Bulls want to look higher at this moment in time. Bar 24 looks like he tries to bounce off the EMA. EMA is starting to go it's kind of bouncy. There's more bullish pressure. It's slanted upwards, but after bar 25 got put in, the EMA started to dip lower. So that should be context for something. If you manage to avoid getting cut up here, we finally have 2-bar follow through for the first time. No follow through, bad follow through. No follow through, no follow through, follow through with 3 bars. 27 test the EMA. It went from buyers, so support, to sellers. So that's resistance. We can see that through this tail. 28, the market sells off and reverses and creates a pullback with 29. 30 can be another leg down with it. So leg 1, pullback with 2, pullback with 3, leg 4, leg 5. Bar 33 creates a double top bear flag, and that sells off for 2 legs lower here. 34 and 35 are nice sells. 35 starts to bounce off the higher time frame EMA. 36 is bad follow through. That's 3 bars, so we can wait for a pullback. Bears get another 3 bars, and then we get a deeper pullback. So I think it's safe to get out of shorts around this price action. Higher time frame support. Higher time frame is acting as support. So I don't know if I'm going too fast. I'm trying to stay on topic. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I'm going too fast. The higher time frame is acting as support, and we see that pretty much throughout. There was a huge gap here, you know. The bulls have had a bullish gap for a very long time. Last time it touched the EMA, got bought. Touched the EMA, gets bought. So I think it was pretty obvious to get out of shorts there. I shouldn't say obvious because, you know, we're all at different points of our trading journey. I got out as 45 was forming, and I just got long because this was really nice, I think, price action. Support, double bottom, support, or that resistance turn support. Oh, snap. I have the wrong day. That sucks. Okay. It's supposed to be like this, but it's okay. It's not too that big of a deal. So we're breaking off the higher time frame EMA. We're breaking out 3 bars, small pullback, and we get really good follow through. 51, strong breakout, and it goes sideways for a few bars. See how this breakout doesn't have a lot of overlap, whereas these breakouts just straight up have overlap. Bull gaps are starting to stay open. There's a small bull gap here, big gap here, gap here, gap here. Yeah, so there's a lot of bull gaps being open. 455, really nice close. I bought that close. I got out at the top of 57 because I had a PT set like around there, and then as it went it popped just above that, and I got out. So that was kind of cool. 57, yeah, raced up and kind of stopped. I thought this was climactic from a leg 1, leg 2 perspective. Range bound. We've been ranging all day. However, the bull decides to break out. 58 is good follow through. 59 is good follow through. That's bulls. It's not good follow through. It's just bullish follow through, right? Because there's a lot of overlap. Bar 60 is completely sideways. It's a wedge bottom here. 3 pushes down is a wedge bottom. So the energy is the same. 61, strong breakout. 62 start to break out above yesterday's high. And when that breakout happens, my target is usually this. But it was really late in the day, last 2 hours. And look how far the bulls have already traveled. So, you know what's crazy is I forgot to do it with this. So, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to have that open. I'm going haywire. There we go. Strong breakout 63. Sideways price action for the rest of the day. It's still a bull channel, but it went more sideways. You can scalp the lows. You can buy the highs, buy lower, get out. Finish this one in about 9 minutes. I'm trying to keep these around 10 minutes, so that's why I was going a little bit faster. Let me know what you guys think. We went over the higher time frames. We went over a couple leg 1, leg 2 moves, the wedge bottom, right? Because this is a bear channel above a higher time frame EMA. So keep in mind the regime we're in, the type of regime we're having. Hope you guys are doing good. Keep studying. I'll talk to you guys later. Hit the follow button if you guys are learning. Drop some comments. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.